Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about double opt-in, which is a very important feature when it comes to email marketing. So double opt-in is a verification process used in email marketing to ensure that only genuine interested subscribers join your mailing list. Basically, it involves two key steps. First, a user enters their email address through a sign-up form. Next, they receive a confirmation email asking them to verify their subscription. So this extra step really helps confirm that the email address is valid and the person truly wants to receive your communication. So I'm going to show you how you can set this up in Hubspot. Just click on the gear icon, which is over here, or the settings icon. And then if you scroll down to the marketing feature, and here you have email. And here you will find double opt-in. Click on double opt-in and then it will prompt you to set up double opt-in feature. So I'm going to click here, select the language that you have. HubSpot has a lot of languages. So I'm going to go with English. And you can see the sender email, select the sender, and the subject line is auto-populated. Please confirm your sign up or please confirm your subscription, whatever you want. And then you have the personalization token. You have three personalization tokens basically: first name, last name, or no token. We prefer to have the first name over here because then it just automatically populates. So hi, first name, you're almost done. Simply click confirm below to confirm your subscription. And then the edit icon or the button unfortunately is not available in any plans except for professional or enterprise. My account is on starter plan, hence I don't have the edit option, but you can preview the email here. This is in the desktop and this is in the mobile version. I'm just going to go back and I'm going to click on save and activate. So just setup is complete, very simple. So you can see over here that the language is English, status is active now, double confirmation email is there, right? Follow-up email not available. You can set this up. Now you can also manage where opt-in, double opt-in should be used, right? So this is very, very important because it has several advantages. First of all, it ensures quality subscribers. So it confirms that the person truly wants your emails and it reduces fake or mistyped email addresses. Then it prevents spam complaints, obviously. So since users actively confirm, you're less likely to be marked as spam. And it also protects your sender reputation and improves email deliverability. Next step, you have it compliance with privacy laws. So this is required or strongly recommended by GDPR or by CASL in Canada and demonstrates proof of consent if you are ever audited. Next, you have deliverability improvement. So email service providers or ESPs favor lists with low bounce rates and high engagement, both benefits of double opt-in. And then it builds trust with subscribers. So it shows transparency and professionalism, and subscribers feel safer knowing that you won't misuse their email. And finally, it reduces list cleaning costs. So with fewer invalid emails entering your list, your email verification and avoid unnecessary sending costs. So in summary, double opt-in leads to smaller but more qualified and engaged lists. It's a best practice for serious email marketers who value quality over quantity. So that's it for this video. So if you're using HubSpot, please go ahead and activate that. Even if you're using any other email marketing tool, you need to set up double opt-in emails so that you get safer emails and clean emails in your segments or list. Thank you, everyone.